If TikTok is not loading on your iPhone in 2026, you're definitely not the only one, because this is a very common issue. The app opens, but videos don't load, the feed stays blank, or it just keeps buffering. So in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix TikTok not loading on iPhone, step by step, with real solutions that actually work. Let's get into it. First, why does this happen? On TikTok, loading issues usually come from internet connection problems, app glitches, outdated versions, or system bugs. So we're going to fix each one. First, fix, and the most important one, check your internet connection. This sounds simple, but it's the number one cause. Try this. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then restart your router if you're on Wi-Fi. If TikTok loads after this, problem solved. Now, second fix, force close TikTok and reopen it. Sometimes the app just gets stuck. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom, close TikTok completely. Open it again, this refreshes the app and often fixes loading issues instantly. Now, third fix, check if TikTok is down. Sometimes the problem isn't your phone, the servers might be down, so try opening TikTok on another device, or check social media to see if others have the same issue. If it's down, you just have to wait. Now, fourth fix, update the app. An outdated version can cause bugs. Go to the App Store and update TikTok to the latest version. Updates often fix loading problems, crashes, performance issues. Now, fifth fix, clear app cache inside TikTok. TikTok stores temporary data that can sometimes break the app. To clear it, open TikTok, go to Settings, find Free Up Space or Cache. Clear cache. This won't delete your account, just temporary files. Now, sixth fix, restart your iPhone. This clears system glitches. Just turn your phone off, wait a few seconds, turn it back on. Simple, but very effective. Now, seventh fix, check storage space. If your iPhone is full, apps may not load properly. So, go to Settings, check storage free up space if needed. Now, eighth fix, reinstall TikTok. If nothing else works, this is a strong fix. Just delete TikTok. Reinstall it from the App Store log back in. This gives you a clean version of the app. Now, here's an important tip. Disable VPN if you're using one. VPNs can slow down or block TikTok connections, so turn it off and try again. Now let's recap quickly. To fix TikTok not loading on iPhone, check your internet connection. Force close the app. Check if TikTok is down. Update the app. Clear cache. Restart your iPhone. Free up storage. Reinstall the app. Disable VPN. And that's it. These are the fixes that actually work in 2026. If this helped you, let me know. What exactly is happening on your TikTok? Blank screen or just slow loading?